Hello, everyone. In this video, listen carefully to each sentence. Pause the video after you hear it and try to repeat it aloud.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. What's your name?
Good morning, doctor. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. So, what seems to be the problem today?
Well, I haven't been feeling very well lately. I've had a headache for 3 days, and sometimes I feel dizzy.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel very tired all the time, and yesterday I felt really hot, like I had a fever.
All right, let me ask you some questions. Do you have a cough or a sore throat?
No cough, but my throat feels a little dry.
Do you have stomach pain, nausea, or anything like that?
No, not really, just a headache and tiredness.
Okay. Do you usually sleep well at night?
Not very well, to be honest. I've been sleeping only 5 or 6 hours recently.
That might be part of the problem. Sleep is very important. Do you work long hours?
Yes, I work in an office, and sometimes I stay late.
I understand. Stress and lack of sleep can make your immune system weaker. Do you take any regular medicine?
No, I don't.
Any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
All right, I'll make a note of that. Thank you. Let me check your temperature. It's 38.2 degrees, so you do have a mild fever.
Oh, I thought so.
I'll also check your blood pressure. It's a little high, but nothing serious. Please take a deep breath. Good again. All right, your lungs sound clear.
That's good news.
Based on your symptoms, it looks like you have a viral infection, maybe the flu. The best treatment is rest, drinking lots of water, and eating healthy food.
Do I need any strong medicine?
No antibiotics, because this is not bacterial. I'll give you something for the headache and fever. It will help you feel better.
Okay, I understand.
Also, try to reduce stress. Do you exercise?
Not really. I don't have much time.
Even a short walk every day can help your body and improve your sleep.
That sounds good. I'll try.
And please avoid too much coffee or energy drinks because they can make headaches worse.
Oh, I usually drink 3 cups of coffee a day.
That might be too much for you. Try to cut it down. If your fever goes higher than 39 degrees or if you feel worse, please come back immediately.
All right, I'll do that.
Here is your prescription. You can buy the medicine at the pharmacy next door.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.